Welcome to today's Explainer. Health insurance can usually feel like this massive maze of jargon, complicated terms, and just endless fine print. But today, we're cutting through all of that noise. Our goal is to give you a really simple, highly effective explanation of the Manipal Cigna Sarvah Uttam plan. We want to make it incredibly easy for you to understand exactly how this product works so you can lock in that everyday peace of mind without the headache. To help us navigate this whole health fortress, we've got a trusty guide with us today. Meet Sarvanand. With a little bit of mystical charm and a whole lot of wisdom, Sarvanand is here to help us figure out the absolute best ways to protect you and your loved ones. Think of him as your friendly, expert navigator through the sometimes confusing world of complete health coverage. All right, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to break down exactly how this plan protects you at literally every stage of life. We'll look at how your coverage multiplies, how you can fast-track pre-existing conditions, get infinite support for critical care, actually get rewarded for staying healthy, and finally, how to future-proof your family's health.
Let's dive right into Section 1, Meet Your Complete Health Solution, or as we like to call it, Building Your Health Fortress.
This entire plan is built on one very simple, very human core philosophy. They genuinely understand the true value of your health. They know that when it matters most, you absolutely need complete peace of mind. It's designed to be this ultimate personalized safety net that ensures you're fully protected against crazy medical expenses without any of the usual stress. And the best part? That peace of mind is accessible right from day one. You're not sitting around waiting weeks for physical paperwork to arrive. Through the My Manipal Cigna app, you can effortlessly manage your digital policy, process your claims, and handle basically all your e-servicing needs right from your smartphone. It's literally instant access to your coverage. Moving right along to Section 2, multiplying your base coverage. Let's see how your protection actually grows over time. Okay, you have to hear about this incredible Gulick Advantage. It acts like a health savings bank that just keeps growing. Imagine you start with a base sum insured of 10 lakhs. With this feature, your balance gets a guaranteed 100% boost every single year, and that happens whether you made a claim the year before or not. Fast forward 15 years, and your original 10 lakh cover eventually compounds to a massive 1.6 crores. That's a 15x bonus at no extra premium. It's basically ensuring your coverage never runs dry. But hey, life happens. What if you have a really tough year and face multiple health challenges? Well, that brings us to the restoration benefit. If you ever deplete your funds, your base sum insured is automatically restored, and it does this an unlimited number of times in a policy year. So say an initial claim leaves you with an 8 lakh balance, but then a second claim requires 12 lakhs, no problem. The restoration benefit kicks right in to cover it, giving you seamless protection for related and unrelated illnesses. On top of that, we have the surplus benefit, which perfectly highlights their commitment to total coverage. This is a huge deal. It essentially gives you double the protection right from day one. You get an extra 100% of your base sum insured available specifically for your very first claim in each policy year. Right out of the gate, you are completely overprepared for any unexpected medical hurdle.
Let's look at Section 3 now, Fast-Tracking Pre-Existing Conditions, because nobody likes a long wait.
You know the drill with insurance. Typically, the standard industry waiting period for pre-existing diseases is a brutal 36 months, 3 whole years of crossing your fingers. But if you choose the optional Sarathi cover, which acts like your personal fast-track guide, that waiting period gets slashed down to just 30 days. Let that sink in for a second. Instead of 3 years, you're waiting just 1 single month. The impact of this is just massive. It means that if you're managing common pre-existing conditions, we're talking asthma, diabetes, obesity, or hypertension, your safety net is ready almost immediately. You do not have to put your peace of mind on hold anymore. It's ready when you need it. Next up, Section 4, Infinite Support for Critical Care. This is where we talk about the true power of the add-ons benefit. The core promise here is something we can all get behind. Focus on your recovery, not the hefty medical bills. When you or someone you love is facing a really severe illness, the emotional toll is already heavy enough, right? The goal is to empower you to focus 100% on getting better instead of lying awake at night stressing over the crippling cost of care. So what actually happens if you face severe hurdles like cancer, heart conditions, strokes, major organ transplants, or bad accidents? Well, if you've opted for the Anant benefit, and Anant literally means infinite, the plan provides an infinite sum insured with absolutely no limit on claims for hospitalizations related to these conditions. It is quite literally endless coverage right when you need financial support the most. Plus, an absolutely critical component of getting the best care is going to the best hospitals, no matter where they are. With this plan, there is zero zonal copay. That means you pay for the treatment, not the location. You won't be charged extra out of pocket just because you decide to get treated in a larger, more expensive city. Your care should never be limited by geography. All right, Section 5. This is a fun one. Rewards for staying healthy, because good health should definitely bring great savings. Insurance shouldn't just be there for when you're sick. Here is exactly how this plan rewards you. By simply maintaining good health and avoiding claims, you earn renewal premium discounts. One claim per year gets you a 2.5% discount. Hit 2 years, it's 5%. By years 3 and 4, it scales all the way up to 7.5%. It's basically a fantastic system that pays you back year after year just for taking care of yourself. And actually, it gets even better. You can earn up to a massive 20% off your premium through the plan's wellness benefits. How? Literally just by completing healthy daily activities, like walking. It's monitored through their Healthy Life Management program, and it literally turns your daily step count into direct savings. No joke. Finally, Section 6, securing your health's future. We're looking at protection for every single major life milestone. From the immense joy of expanding your family to the delicate care of a newborn, this plan seamlessly adapts to your growing needs. It offers really robust maternity coverage for up to 2 deliveries. It takes care of your newborn's inpatient hospital expenses, and it even covers those crucial first-year vaccinations under the National Immunization Program. It's true protection for life's most precious moments. I'm going to leave you with one final thought to ponder today. If life's uncertainties don't wait around for the perfect moment to strike, why on earth should your peace of mind be put on hold? Take charge of your health coverage right now and make sure that when the unexpected does happen, you are more than ready. Thanks so much for joining us for this explanation, and we'll see you next time.